RC to be here. Now, this week on my little tip job, I had one of those maybe it's Maybelline moments when this lady said to me,
Wow, you dyed your hair red. I haven't changed my hairstyle in the last 10 years. You're really brave.
so I'm like scratching my head thinking to myself, is she serious? Or is she just trying to be facetious? Now I know my game is strong, but does she not realize these are crochet braids? I guess that's just a good segue into how this sensational Lulutress Ocean Wave 99J held up during week 1. YouTube, basically, this update is going to be short and sweet because I have no complaints. This hair reacted very well week 1 with very little maintenance. Now at night, I just took small sections like this. You know the routine. Twisted it up. Slapped on my bonnet. Got up the next morning. Maybe added a little bit of braid spray. If it tangled just the slightest bit, which it did, took my little Denman brush, starting at the bottom, brush it out, do my flip, and it was good to go. Now, I did trim it down some from my original install to just above bust, just to make it a little more office appropriate since I was already taking a few liberties with the 99J. But I'm pretty sure this hair would respond just as well if you left it longer. This Lulutress Ocean Wave has definitely got my stamp of approval. I have tried the Kima Ocean Wave, the Bobbi Boss, the Zuri, and now this. And this hair ranks right up there at the top of the list with those other brands I named. Now, I still have 3 packs of the Lulutress Beach Curl that I've not installed, and I'm thinking about giving those away on our Facebook group. If you're not a member yet, here's how to join. Check that out. I'm maybe gonna do one more install of the new Lulutress. I'm thinking deep wave, but if there's another style that you'd like me to try, you know what to do. Post that comment down below and I'll make every effort to get that hair to install. YouTube, that'll do it for this 1 week update. Now, if you have a coworker wondering, maybe she's born with it, maybe it's crochet braids, then you know you are up on your game. Good work and keep repping for crochet braids. I am out for now, YouTube. I'll be back in a couple of days with a brand new video, so stay tuned to my channel for that. Until then, you know what I always say before I leave. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.